like we had some kind of birds or something out here. So we got about, well, not that bad. Couple inches, huh? Man, it's covered my car and everything. Look at that. Whew, it's cold. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like I'm stuck again, huh? Actually, if you melt the snow, it's not even white. It's dirty. You know that? It looks cool though, huh? Wow. Holy moly. I don't know. You think we can go through here? Maybe with this one. Guess I'll be left-handed today. Here's a homemade spatula. See that? Kitchen spatula. But we're gonna see how bad the roads are. If they're too bad, I'm not gonna go that far. I want to get some breakfast though, because I'm hungry. Check out the snow. We usually got like 3 inches. A lot of snow. See the streets right there where they're frozen? road is frozen. Damn, I don't even feel like walking unless getting inside my shoes. Maybe it'll snow. It's supposed to snow tonight too, like 3-4 inches. So I was able to make it to the park. I took a chance. Actually, it's not that bad. And I guess just in my area, it's a lot of snow, but it's not that bad here. So I'm just going for my 4 laps. It's actually been very good on me, for me. Yeah, I think a lot of the snow just melted. It's not that cold, but where I am at, you know, still snow up there. Check out that area, guys. Critical area, it says. Looks like a little swamp. Can you believe I'm the only one out here? I don't think this has ever been used. I mean, it looks brand new. It's a solid wood. Yep. Oh, they even got a plug. What's that in there? It's got like a plug or something. Oh yeah, they do got a plug right here. Or is this for like a tribe or something? Is that what this is? You know, like a special tribe, you know? Tribal chief or something. Whew, I got snow in my sock. I don't know, I've ever showed you guys this side of the park. It's actually a nice park. I mean, you know, probably in the summertime. Oh, they even got showers in there. Wow. Is that what they got there? Shower? What is that? Oh, it's like an air conditioner. Huh? Wow, they closed that place down for like half a year or something like that. Looks abandoned. Oh, they even got restrooms down here? Huh. They even got another one up there, see that? Konaki. I'm wondering if those are like tribal areas, you know?